back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. One thing to note about this job, it is going to be customer service based, but it requires very little customer service experience. Last week, I didn't include a lot of customer service videos, so I'm trying to get some in today. I'm trying to mix it up, keep a little bit of everything flowing for everyone and what you are looking for. But real quickly, I do want to note that I am trying to get out as many job leads this week as I can. I am going to be on vacation next week, so you might not see as many videos next week from me, but I promise I will be back. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the huge office supply company Staples. They are hiring a print and marketing service sales support representative. So you're going to be customer service support for their marketing sales team. This is any location, remote work from home within the United States. Now, the pay range for this position is very good. It doesn't require very much experience, but if you do have customer service experience, I would definitely negotiate that salary. The pay range is set anywhere from $18 an hour all the way up to $31 an hour. But they are basically looking for somebody to proactively manage their Salesforce support queues with the dedicated team to provide the highest level of customer support through quick action and excellent communication. You'll independently assign work and take first proactive action before moving on to the next customer case. You'll promptly respond to all requests through Salesforce or through the phone. You'll keep up-to-date detailed status on all Salesforce case records, the next action required with a date, and of course you'll follow up on all your open cases as well. This will require you to communicate with the sales teams on any issues that may impact their customer or fully visible in knowledge. So what are they requiring? They're actually not requiring any experience at all. They want somebody who has a high school diploma or GED, someone who has great communication skills, great telephone skills, the ability to develop relationships and keep that customer loyalty, someone who can manage their time well, stay organized, be a problem solver, and somebody who can learn products, pricing, and company policy information. So maybe someone who can memorize information. That is it. Now, they do have some preferred qualifications. Preferred qualifications would be a college degree. Basic computer skills is listed in preferred qualifications. And of course, previous customer service experience is under preferred qualifications, but not required. So if you have any customer service experience at all, you are good to go. It doesn't matter how little you have. So this requires very minimal customer service experience. On top of their nice pay range, they do also offer benefits that include paid time off, 401k, wellness programs, and all the things. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.